This is even bigger than the one I lost. This is even bigger than the one I lost. Whew. I don't know if it even fits all in the picture. Whew. Let me get see if I can get a measurement on this with my paddle. No, I'm not gonna. I'm being too cute. I'm being way too cute with a fish this size inside the kayak. But goodness gracious, if I had to guess, this thing probably weighs 40 pounds or so. You know what? Let's try. Let's just try. He may flop off while I'm doing this. He may flop off while I'm trying. Golly. 30 pounds. 30 pounds. 30 pounds. All right. Dang it. Come back here. Dude! Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh.